Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorma number DK3287-01A push arm kit. So this is what would be considered this portion versus this portion. The main arm, think of the main arm. This is going to obviously come into your spindle, your spline spindle. It's going to include your fastener package, your bolt to get that connected. Okay. And this video will really serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the items. And this is going to be the replacement push arm. A push arm is going to be an application where you have what would be known as a top jam mount if it was a mechanical sort of closer installation, body up on the header with the arm on the face of the door. It'd be a push arm or a top jam mount, but the automatic industry doesn't use the term top jam that I'm really aware of. Overall length of the main arm is 13 inch. It's a big heavy piece of equipment. The entire arm weighs about 3 3/4 pounds, 1 1/4, and that's going to be every bit of basically 1/4 inch solid steel. Now here is your forearm. Obviously will give you the ability to adjust for your different frame reveal. The reveal is the dimension from the face of the door to the face of the frame. So depending on the depth of your frame, you might have a greater reveal. And I'm going to thread this arm down to its minimum so that we can understand, because they really don't publish what the reveal minimum and maximum dimension is on this material. And giving you that information, you can kind of piece together whether or not it's going to work for you. Because, you know, there are times when you have to install the body on some plane significantly away from the face of the door to such a point where you're not sure if the arm is long enough. The overall length of the main arm, pardon me, of the forearm, well, you know, to the face of the arm shoe down to the center of the elbow, about 16 1/4 inch. Coming back over here, let's go center to center. Do that this way. About 11 3/4 inch. So 16 1/4 and 11 1/4 are your centers. At a minimum, that was 16 1/4. I'm going to pause this video as I turn the arm out. Okay, now I've got that turned all the way out, and if I leave about 5 revolutions on the arm, it gets quite long in length. So again, from the end of the rod shoe all the way to the elbow, or the center line, we pick up 10 inches. So it goes to 26 1/4. Okay, so it's pretty substantial in terms of a reveal that you can have on the material. This arm is compatible again with the ED400 and the ED700 style swinging doors. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Dorma products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. It's not unusual for arms to get fatigued, and it's not hard to understand why the arms were such substantially big pieces of equipment. And it's because the forces that are applied in these instances on automatic doors. If you have any questions on the Dorma DK3287-01A push arm kit in a clear finish, or any other Dorma product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.